Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV, and we are going to upgrade the seat on my daughter's Indian Super Chief Limited. If you look at her body posture, she's just back a little too far. So we ordered from Indian a forward seat. So we're going to install this right now, and let's kind of look at my daughter right now and see how she looks, and I'll take a picture of her. All right, what's so nice about this Indian product is it's a pretty simple, just take it off and put it on. So there's an Allen right here. We're going to pop that off and unplug it from the bike and plug this one in. All right, my daughter's going to show you how it's just a simple Allen. Pull it all the way out, a little bit more I think, and there you go. So just go ahead and pull that screw out. I think you got to take your hand and kind of finagle a little bit. See that? Look. Now this here should just unplug. You should see that? Look how easy that is. Look at that. Bing. Out. All right, grab the other one. And you just plug. Just plug and play. And get it kind of lined up. Put the gun down or you scratch your bike. You're going to be bold. She's going to be bold on me. Get your flaps there. Kind of, yeah, they're trying to go underneath there. There you go. All right. All right. My daughter at first was saying it's the exact same seat. Is it a different seat?
Yeah.
For sure.
I guess.
Well, you know, you're sitting on it.
I think it is. Because I can reach this a lot easier.
Okay. Good. So we haven't fastened it down yet. Real simple. Put the Allen down. Bing, bam, done. It's an Indian product. Has the flaps just like the other one. So it keeps that retro file.
Up.
You feel more forward.
Yeah.
Cool. All righty. Tomorrow we'll be riding. I think we'll get the real story, but she already feels a lot more confident. And here's the part number right here. Indian product. Not too shabby in the price. You know, you're going to pay. But keep the Indian theme. Are you excited to ride your Super Chief Indian tomorrow?
Yeah.
She is.